Hello Scratchers and welcome back. Long time no see. Now this is just a quick reminder, I'm not recording with my normal mic, so yeah, it's gonna end. I'm on my iPad, so it's gonna be a bit laggy, but let's get on with this awesome video, Scratchers. So yes, I might be returning to this YouTube channel, but I cannot confirm, but I might be returning to this YouTube video. My next video, well, other than this one, has not yet been confirmed, so it could be next week, it could be next month, it could be in a couple days, but I'm hoping I can get it out by next week on Saturday, hopefully, but I'm not totally sure. Now thanks, I have seen lots of comments from you guys supporting me, so shout out to all of you. Thank you so much, and I might be returning, probably returning.